Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make your body different colors on Roblox mobile. So if you want to change the color of your body on your Roblox account, what you have to do is first of all you have to open up your Roblox application, and after opening your Roblox application, now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the middle of the screen in the bottom. And after tapping on that icon, now you have to tap on customize which is on the top middle of your screen. You can find the customize option over the top. And now you have to tap on head and body. And after tapping on head and body, now you have to tap on skin. And after tapping on skin here, you can see you can easily change the color of your skin in the Roblox account. So if you scroll all the way down, you can find an advanced option. So after tapping on that option, now you can add a different color to different part of your body. So for example, for my head, I can choose a color. So for my torso, I can choose another color. For my left arm, for my right arm, I can choose some different colors. And you can choose any color that you like. And after selecting your colors, you just have to tap on the arrow icon, which is on the top left corner of your screen. And it will just auto save every skin color that you have added to your character. So this is how to make your body different colors on Roblox mobile. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.